ku buryo kwa gatanu mu gitondo zabageze muri London mu rwa mukuru w'Ubwongereza saa 11 za mu gitondo zabayije mu rukiko ku mwana wa Old Bailey.
Asking anything to add?
Ati nacyo twakongera byose bimeze neza. Abiperereza tumeze neza. O'Neil hari mugenzi wabo barimo baravuga baganira mu nama we yibereye kure. Ari jamashaka kuvuga se.
They find him.
But it's just chatter. I mean,
umuntu baravuga iki se? Umugabo agomba gutanga ubuhamya hari abantu bavumbuye anafungiye. Sasa na filimi bari mu nama bavuga ngo umugabo amugeze muri London mu rwa mukuru w'Ubwongereza kuwa gatanu mu gitondo za 11 nta muntu amufataho. Sasa hari abakuru bakire ngo barinzwe iperereza ngo hari abantu bavumbuye aho wa mugabo Boston ashaka kuba aherereye.
Yeah, and if it's not, I'm not losing this witness.
Ntabwo imutanga bamya namubura.
He's the key to everything. We have
to
move him right now.
Tugomba kumwimura ahubwo none hakiri kare.
If Pegasus know the whereabouts of Stone, then 4 days is a long.
Ati Boston akeneye mu rukiko mu minsi ine. Bivuze ngo iriya crime organization yitwa Pegasus bo barashaka kumwica mbere ko atanga ubuhamya.
Leave him exposed to that location.
Tugomba kumwindura location.
I can send an armed response unit to us.
Ariko nakwereza ingabo bakagenda rwose bakamuzana bakamuherekeza.
4 hours to get.
Mu masane baba bamugejeje hano.
No, that's too long.
Ayo masane ni menshi.
Can scramble a local firearms unit.
Oya ntabwo byakunda.
we could get our guys to take him to local police
Reka twereza prison van zino modoka za prisonnier.
station, wait for more security.
Bamwimura mujyane kuri station aho hafi.
No, I want him out of the area. If we
umeze nk'umusazi ntabwo uzi ikipe y'ibyiye buri mwakira nayo.
get him to London tonight.
Kuko na polisi ubwayo imbere yabo nta kintu bavuze. Pegasus Simba ari unuza genge ikomeye.
We check that with the boss.
Ngo iki?
Change of plan.
Well, she's
Reka dudure impango.
have operational control.
Uriya rwose uriya mugabo umva uriya mukobwa urimo avuga ngo yadufasha ari mu rukiko naganira nonaha. Ari n'umudamu bakeneye ibwatinze.
What's your dissertation about?
Ariko se urimo urandika ibiki ko urimo uragenda ukora utuntu nk'utwo.
In reducing recidivism rates.
Ati ibi nibyo baduhaye muri rehab tuvuye ku biyobyabwenge kugira ngo ubwenge busubire kujya buriya muri rehab hari ukuntu wabwaho utuntu ugenda wiga tw'imibare kugira ngo wongere utyaze ubwenge ku bwenge buba bwarasigaye inyuma